Have you ever thought about how certain natural ingredients can rejuvenate your body and potentially enhance your sexual vitality? In this video, we're going to uncover a powerful natural mixture made from 4 incredible ingredients that are fantastic for cleansing your liver and blood vessels. If you're watching this video, comment OK below to let us know you're ready to dive into the world of health and pleasure. Let's kick things off with our first star ingredient, beetroot. This vibrant vegetable is more than just a beautiful addition to your plate. Rich in antioxidants, beetroot is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. Studies show that consuming beetroot can lower blood pressure by up to 10 mmHg due to its high nitrate content, which improves blood flow and circulation. This is particularly beneficial for your sexual health, as enhanced circulation can lead to better arousal and performance. So, if you're excited to learn how beets can boost your health, comment beet benefits. Now, let's talk about parsley. This often overlooked herb is a nutritional powerhouse. Not only does parsley strengthen your gums and enhance your appetite, but it also aids digestion and helps eliminate excess salt from your system. Did you know that parsley contains vitamin K, which is essential for bone health? A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that adequate vitamin K intake may improve bone density, which is crucial for an active lifestyle. Additionally, parsley's high antioxidant content helps combat oxidative stress, contributing to overall vitality. If you're intrigued by the benefits of parsley, drop a comment saying herb power. This time, let's explore the benefits of carrot. These crunchy delights are loaded with beta-carotene, approximately 18,285 micrograms per 100 grams, making them one of the richest sources of provitamin A. This is vital for maintaining healthy skin, vision, and immune function. But did you know that vitamin A plays a role in hormone production? A healthy hormonal balance is crucial for sexual health and performance. Carrots also provide vitamins C, E, K, and a range of B vitamins. All of these nutrients collectively support energy production and can elevate your mood, essential for a fulfilling sex life. Comment carrot crunch if you're excited to learn how carrots can enhance your life. Let's not overlook the importance of hydration. For our recipe, we'll need 300 milliliters of water. Staying hydrated is vital for maintaining optimal bodily functions, including those that affect sexual health. According to the Mayo Clinic, adequate hydration can improve energy levels, mood, and cognitive function. It's said that even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue and decreased alertness, which are not ideal when it comes to intimacy. So, if you appreciate the importance of hydration, leave a comment saying, "Stay hydrated." Next up is ginger, a remarkable root that has been celebrated for its numerous health benefits for centuries. Just 20 grams of ginger can significantly enhance your digestion and stimulate gastric juice production. Research indicates that ginger can help alleviate nausea and improve overall gastrointestinal health. A study published in the Journal of Pain found that ginger can also reduce muscle soreness, which is great news for those active in the bedroom. A healthy digestive system translates to increased energy levels, which are essential for a robust sex life. If you're loving the benefits of ginger, comment ginger power. Finally, let's introduce Physalis, those delightful little berries that pack a punch. Using 4 to 5 pieces of Physalis can provide antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, hemostatic, analgesic, diuretic, and choletic effects. Physalis are rich in vitamins A, C, and B, and their high antioxidant content can help protect your cells from damage. This means they not only cleanse your system, but also provide essential nutrients that support overall well-being. A healthy body is crucial for optimal sexual performance, and Physalis can contribute to that in a delicious way. If you're curious about Physalis, comment berry benefits. I believe you're enjoying this video. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Comment wonderful if you're enjoying the content so far. Now, let's blend all these fantastic ingredients together. After preparing your mixture, Pass it through a sieve and allow it to cool slightly. The leftover pulp can even be used for baking, so nothing goes to waste. It's an excellent way to ensure you're getting the most out of your natural ingredients. Plus, incorporating these healthy elements into your diet can boost your overall energy and sexual vitality. If you're excited about trying this recipe, comment, "Waste not." As we wrap up, remember that nourishing your body with these natural ingredients not only supports your overall health, but can also enhance your sexual vitality. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables is linked to improved sexual function. Don't underestimate the connection between what you eat and how you feel in every aspect of your life, including your intimate moments. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our channel for more intriguing content related to health and sexual pleasure. There's a wealth of knowledge waiting for you, so dive into our other videos before you leave. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you health and happiness in every aspect of your life.